Hey guys, so this week is Search First Wave Husks. I previously made a video on Dam, but that was before Electromagnetic Storm, Hidden Bunker, and the leaderboards were as sweaty as they are now. I've heard Hidden Bunker is good, but with it being limited and other trials like damage to ground units being a must-do on Hidden Bunker, I've mapped out Electromagnetic Dam, and it seems all of the spawns, or at least most of them, are active, and when I did my first run, I got over 50k. I have almost all locations on this map, but we're going to break Dam Battlegrounds Husks into 4 regions: the Scrapyard, the Red Lakes, the Northern Complex Elevator, and the Swamp. The Swamp and Red Lakes being the two most important ones. For the Scrapyard, there are a few spawns near the wreckage and around the field depot looking structure with the early game quest item in it. The majority of where you'll find them are in the small camps around the outskirts, like behind the electrical tower, the hills behind the testing annex, and the Formicae outpost. There's also 2 to 3 wasp spawns in the northwestern hills. The Red Lake has husks splattered all over it, but I think this map shows them all. There's 1 wasp husk near the radar hatch on the north side. There are 4 Rocketeer husks on or around the northern island. There are 2 Rocketeer husks outside of the pipeline tower, and 4 to 6 wasps and the broken structures nearby that. The southern island radar hatch has 2 wasp husks that spawn around it, and southwest on the edge of the water there's 3 to 4 wasp husks as well. The Red Lakes berm has 2 Rocketeer husks on it. Some easy to miss wasp husks are above the zipline right on the edge of the cement, as well as 1 just south of the field depot. I've also placed the Baron husk for the breach in the Red Lakes. The Baron husk is guaranteed and it has 2 wasp husks that will spawn around it sometimes. You should try to get to them fairly early, because later on in raid, it's a common place for players to run through to try to get to extract. The northern elevator spawns are super easy and consistent. There's 1 in the northeast tower, as well as 2 just north of the pattern house, 1 Rocketeer and 1 wasp. There's also 1 Rocketeer just south of the pattern house. The swamp is the area you're going to have to spend most of your time searching. They're all over the place, and they're hard to see because of how dark and dense it is. This area also has 2 Baron husks, which are guaranteed. The southernmost Baron husk has 2 Rocketeers just to the west of it. The old Battlegrounds Baron husk has Rocketeers scattered all around, and a majority of them are on its eastern side. But as you near the central lift swamp, you'll need to start pathing more northern towards Ben Welder's sunroof hatch. The hydroponic dome complex doesn't have many, if any, husks at all. I ran through it multiple times and didn't see any. Make sure to get the 2 Rocketeers and wasp husks near the Ben Welder sunroof. These are all of the husks I was able to find. I hope the maps and this guide have helped you hit the score you need to double promo. Good luck topside raiders.